All right, so I'm going to make my favorite window cleaner. We've been out for a couple weeks since we've been traveling and things have been crazy, so I've been missing this, looking at the mirror and just cringing. But I wanted to wait till I had a chance to make a video because I've been meaning to make a video about this. Again, I know I've done one before, but I thought I would do a refresher for everybody. So this is just a basic window cleaner. It is just purified water, white vinegar, and then citrus essential oils. It saves a lot of money and time not having to run around buying cleaners, and it's also healthier for my family, and also it's better for the environment. So it's kind of like a triple win, maybe quadruple if we really nail it down. So all it is 3/4 water. So I've already put water in. This is just my little 8-ounce glass bottle. And you can get these on Amazon. You can get them from oil supply companies. If you need suggestions, let me know, and I have lots. And then I'm just going to top it up. So the last quarter is just white vinegar. I should have grabbed my funnel, but I didn't. So I'm just going to pour that in. Oh, can't see. Here we go. I'm dripping a little bit. It's okay. It's just vinegar. And then 1 to 2 drops per ounce. So I'm going to do a full 2 drops per ounce. So it's 4 ounces. So I'm going to do 8 drops. I'm going to do 6 lemon. Oh, that was 7. And a couple tangerine. And that way it also smells really nice. And what's really cool is Hudson, he's 4.5. He's recently started taking an interest in helping me clean, which is exciting. So if I, get out the cleaners and the cloths and start, we did the cupboards last week, and it's really fun that he's interested now because I can just give him a paper towel and a bottle, and he really can't do any harm to himself or anything else because it's just like a basic natural cleaner. I don't have to worry too much about it getting in his eyes or anything. It's still not good if it gets in his eyes, but I know I'm not going to have to rush to emergency or anything, get them flushed out. So yeah, that's it. That's my window cleaner. So I remake this probably monthly. Super cheap. I'll work it out and post the cost in the comments. And if you have any questions about recipes or where to get essential oils, just let me know. I'm here for that.